Guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how can we fix Instagram messages which are not sending to your friends or to someone else you want to message. It's a very easy process and I will show you 3 steps to fix this issue. This works in both in Samsung, in Android as well as in iPhone. So let me open Instagram and let me go to the chats. Let me message to my friend, hi. As right now it's working for me, but sometimes the people face issue is that they type something or whatever they type, and on the downside it shows failed message or failed. And on the, if you do like that, on the right side as you can see the arrow, the right arrow, by this it means this message has been sent to my friend. So sometimes people doesn't this doesn't shows on the message. So I will show you 3 steps. Number one is that you have to make sure that your internet works properly. As let me refresh, I will show you if it works or not. Yeah, you can see my internet works properly. So this is the step number one. The second step is you have to make sure or be sure that your Instagram is downloaded to its latest version, as mine is already downloaded to its latest. So these are the two. And the third one is go to your settings and then scroll down and find app. Yeah, over here, then press on manage apps and you have to find Instagram over here, then press on storage and then clear all data, but make sure you should not press clear all data, just press on a clear cache, just press on it. Okay, and as you can see it's 0. So this is the 3 steps, and I hope by doing these 3 steps your issue will be solved.